Have you ever wondered why some harvest photographs feel ordinary while others stay with you for years? The truth is, it's usually not the camera and lens, and it's definitely not Photoshop. The secret is being there at exactly the right moment. Today, I will show you how I captured this photograph and why almost everything depended on my patience. Harvest season is one of the shortest photographic opportunities of the entire year. For only a few days, fields are transformed into golden landscapes filled with giant high bales. Then everything disappears. 1. Location. The first step is choosing the right field. Harvest photography starts long before you press the shutter. Look for fields where large round hay bales are scattered naturally across the landscape. One bale should become your main subject. The others should remain far away on the horizon. These distant bales create depth and help tell the story of the harvest. Without them, the landscape often feels empty. 2. The right time. Most people photograph harvest fields in the middle of the day. That is probably the worst possible moment. Instead, come very early in the morning or during the last hour before sunset. Golden hour transforms ordinary straw into warm golden tones. Everything suddenly feels richer, softer, more alive. The real secret: beautiful light alone isn't enough. The real magic happens before a storm. When dark rain clouds begin rolling across the sky, don't pack your camera. This is exactly when you should start photographing. Those deep blue-gray clouds create tension. They make the landscape feel powerful, sometimes even cinematic. The warm orange field against the cold storm clouds creates one of the nature's strongest color contrasts, and that's what gives your image drama. 4. Timing. Harvest season doesn't last long. In many places, you only have a few days before the fields change completely. That's why preparation matters. Scout locations early, watch the weather forecast, and when the storm clouds arrive, be ready. Nature won't wait. 5. A creative idea. Hay bales don't have to be photographed alone. They can become part of the story. Bring a guitar, a vintage chair, a cowboy hat, or even an old suitcase. Suddenly, you are not longer creating a landscape photograph. You are creating the cover of a country music album. Sometimes, one simple probe is enough to turn a beautiful scene into unforgettable visual storytelling. Photography isn't only about recording what you see, it's about waiting for the moment when nature creates something extraordinary. Sometimes that moment lasts only a few minutes, but when everything comes together, golden fields, storm clouds, perfect light, and one simple hay bale, you don't just take a photograph, you create a piece of wall art. If you enjoyed this story, hope we will see in the next episode. And tell me in the comments, have you ever photographed a harvest field before a storm? Check out the link in the description. I've got a collection of limited edition fine art prints with archival materials, available perfect for adding a unique story to your walls. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, it really helps the channel grow. Don't forget to like, comment, and share if this story touched you, and subscribe for more Photo Alchemy, where I turn light into emotion and photos into stories. Until then, keep creating and keep finding art in everyday moments. See you next time. Bye.